Ebusian for aha Ghana Sem TV GH, message or like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Koko Parliament, and yes, Sabako crying mutrim. Movie say, Samu Harvard, no law, Namutra, and Article 1 to 2, and Yansanana. Yansana Samudia Juma Beman Colano. Yansana Samahama Yariga, and Kofo Ewu conscience. Yes, it would have to about conscience. Mudi Jimmy say ya eninem krom ha na kwasiafo no mbani na amafo post ase because ya ma 200 and 500 edi kwasiasemo wo ye post ase me dia obetimi edi matam o me kasa meka na o ba ma me ntia o bebi o ye mebunu na up to now you have not realized say abanwe adadawo abanwe aba okrono abanwe Askameya and a wo aje uko nyankopon ho ekohwehwe nyankopon nim ama ye din so bi adware wanim ama wahu ne ekoso wa Ghana ha. Why am I saying this? Me buefu didinde because me hu say Mahama omo this came being a buyer. They came like Jesus Christ dressed in white robe. Meanwhile, I dear share white robe Nasia, at the said that the Sasia I feel. On Makuma, I feel to said that the Sase assume the woman. The people are wicked. Besienne from 7 so pay 2 minutes there. Oh, petrol minute there. Mahama is the hope. Kapr. Gymie for a Naganamu. Ya hear Juma Mose kapr. Ya hear Juma Mose Mahama is a hope. Mahama ayas kama on your hope bia. Nano krano yabeka tremo because Kromo ha ya Ghana no. Ya wo omo so mo ya sofo for naso omo no. The biggest scammers, the biggest foolish people I've ever seen in this country. I saw for na omuko demonstration. Ekika kwa siasam and then only no more. LGBTQ some na so for dear name Ekika some and a baby aneka say touch no the anointing and say omo pese ye beka sa na there be. Oya Jimmy na ye beka treo. And as I saw for na omuyire any omubusiafo any asofo for nketo oma kojiji deputy MD deputy ambassadors any other position into omuntime nkasa adan na wasa Ghana emebunu ya sacrifice ya homa abanfu abantantan we ya Mahama ne John Dramani Mahama ne Jane Opoku na nadano. I am so pained. Because Mahama Ekasa of voter region. Mitiene Kasa, I was very interested in listening to him. Miami Kromofo, who were so gullible. Mahama Katramo said, in the whole year, voter region, you are the only region that has gotten the biggest big push. Now, you want Safo or Omubom Sema Papa way because just they think he has said something so sensible. Big push. Abrana Mahama promise no. Okatra Mosamubaba ya Pompo Jobana. Okatra Mosamubaba Ejina middle of the road, I inhaling and you dust into your lungs, Anna. Okatra ya say you best ya water, ewa yetiana. Okatra ya say you best why you directional post, direct cars, Anna. Na unye Jiminia, ultimate na papa we program say no Okatra sa voter region, mona matimiaji, the biggest big push, me the Juma Brahma, namu bomu sama, amano. What kind of nonsense and mediocrity is this? What kind of nonsense is this? A country of nyansafoni. Aba. Na mami penyimemwa aka wodi ye kasa wodi o ye professor. Wodi nyansa kra o twim. Aka wodi wa school. Wa upgrade ya wa be professor. History and literature na otemeka. Uko jomno na udada yenyanum ma no. Eka tro mo say, "Mema mo Women's Bank. Ye be a bank ewo Jombia, ye be a bank, Women's Bank, Women's Bank, Women's Bank, Women's Bank." No musu being so gullible, no mutu wechi, "Mami odende, Mami odende, Mami odende." And then Mami odende eka tro say 24-hour economy no. Ye juma. Ono kasa kwa minjin di se o kasa wi a otimi ekotie ne ono kan ye ati ne o kan na ase ana because so far from January 7 this year ne mami we sabe me hu ade potia mami we ebaye no otimi di aka the vice presidential pedestal yet me rate your ratings na the rate vice presidents no me hu nya mami we timi di aka ho not even a fraction of it. Now we musi yan boy yan sema mo yan the first ever women vice president and ebedi yaka na ato forcing eka say he is forcing. He is doing magic. Magic na nene ni awahi. Obi sase magic nene ni awahi. Ma ba hudi me ka say, "Can't you see the base rate? Can't you see the dollar is falling?" Na mamin can be binchre NDC for na mo feel say mo di de inti. Everybody must fall in love with you. Mo ye gymie for, mo ye kwasia for, mo ye mwa na nyoma. Emebunu no muti so sesia no ya yenti ade ya frane VAT dollar rate and things so ya ade ya ti asia na say brodoni butter na ya juma. We don't understand VAT rate and things. Your VAT rate and things can remain on paper, but a bad reality in the street ye hia ye diania ye bedi. Married you should dollar na so diania bedi kra ye nya bindi. Ka kra ye wo kra di beto diana ne kra no kra ye ko kra ye se ka na nso. Haruna Idrisu wo ma bo krono sa ene wo enkola pada modi be ma mo kra no makoto chobo mo se pad no aye 23 Ghana cedis abra wow finance minister atra say pad aye 14 cedis na 15 cedis kronfo ya system be 2 positions amugusu ewiaye you we are coming to give you a briefing space. When you're ready, Mudi yenina beko. Na mo delete your account. The more you delete, the more we open more accounts. The more you send us to the cells, the more will come out and insult you and let the Ghanaians know that you have scammed them. Modi fathers for after their shirt to somebody we are Roman fathers. What is all this? Na mu twist obi answer ebe pininya kasape na macheno se krono ya modia yate. But this is a warning to the NDC. And a mebunu na yamamu appointment no. Me de say yamamu appointment. But munim, munye careful. Because ya mbeka tramo samunkafa 800 million ba as bail conditional. Ya the 2 conditions number 2. So yira ubeko kofa yira ba ma ye hu pint line in osha ni pant na hye na ase no ene na ebe ho asa na ya release we free hono sa wontimi anche ya wo ire pant hye na ase a ene agye wo ma Yesu Kristo esi fom ekroma ebe de brutal ekroma ebe de brutal stronger than appetite a grown woman is no. We will teach you people a lesson. You can continue to be misbehaving in this country. Fellas of Ozukwache. Why you teach shan to some chromu gods are yeti and woko kwa guamusono? Koswana di ujimi in your man will chrome her. 78 million Ghana cedis na diamano. Me who juma woody here. Ama yetimi di biabe kanwamao. Whoa! You have the guts to come and lie to us. Mahama ninyane private jets no more using no. They are not spending a dime. Not long ago. What's on your U10? Oh, catch your say, oh, a fuel pen and more fuel. You see the lies? You catch your gun and force away mono. Omunyanko for what's a geomodino. Omuntiasia because there be MPP for you are so pain. It is not about we being paid. It is about the fact that the people lied. It is about the fact that the people scammed us. They exploited our vote. Now you can't crano, mama you can't crano. Mama you can't crano. Me free vote and me I been 100%. But me di. Matadi amesha, me toothpaste ame yuzu, me brush ame yuzu, nini na eye MPP. Uye diame, me wama MPP. Upe for billions, ane ukasa ambra. Masa, me di me huambo for yama MPP, Sofo region. Ya beka no krona ma, yase net se sa, NDC ye we deep for party. Aba. Ama mebuna wedda do munyina edu sweet talk amebuna afisa anka wo de wo ye papa wo de wo ye saint wo de adwuma abra mo on benya adwuma ye mahama the hope ni
mayor mayama ka chiro mo se wasesan
ni we wasesan wa hifa we wasesan wa hifa
enu ti no mutuma no kodada omo
na se mahama nkasa de ye nyina ye nim se o ye super incompetent ade a ye nim se otimi dada nipa de nim se mahama onim de we ye dada nipa enti oba no wonim ebusia fa mameka mebeche mahama eba ne omukofa Esther Kobina minim se sa na mo frɛ no Esther Kobina chachuchi kata wife no one na ye in charge of communication
yeah Kobina Madam Kobina.
Omo rebranded papa no ne bibia. The only reason why they brought Nano Pokwa was the fact that the woman has no debt on her. Chomu shedadi mami we papa no thinking say women agenda and she's good. She ono the only thing bia won ho. Eno mudi ada na sa ase koto okrole. Kakra. Moja de we dada emebuno. For the first time in the history of Ghana, Usha all the tertiary campuses. Me de neye mi yana se, mahama emma mebuno ji omudi ya pa se, and kamudi adwuma no ati se, just a click of their hand they will get the work to do. Campaign promises no mo de buy no. They made the campaign promises look like just a click of a ombenya adwuma ye. Ba ene adwuma no wo he John Dramani Mahama adwuma no wo he omo 24-hour economy kura no atonhum omo ni policy document ukoka yebeka tro say we have budgeted 110 million Ghana cedis. Meanwhile the policy document ana documents now Gusitano Ediako Parliament no I requested for $4 billion US. Na okoka na gymie for kwasiafuo ayamamo 200 and 100 cedis no appear 73 or debendable from home. Now what can for post I say ebisa say where is can where is this MPP uya fui ubetina post I say ebi so ya ndisi na uya fui pa uya gymie sianya sakakra ne wo say abawe edi wo gymie they are misbehaving, they are following you. Me, I am ready for all of you. I am ready for all of
Ghana by nyina.
Me see one more bincheme from NDC side. Omo ba be ma. Road me say one more bincheme. Obi a amwakwata ebe pass baton ama no. How many years ani ato aba?
Nakakakra bi.
Woni me kwan a asenso bo acha ye. O de yen for comprehensively. Akwan PPA yi unprecedentedly. Say ye ka kwan wasem a NDC for mu miama no na mu ntie na mu zua bi. Ede na yewura asenso bo acha ka. Yewura say ye ma yewura ene ne nkasa waka bibia onka bida na ye hwe se na nada kwanyansa wo mu a miwura senso boache nyansa bo akwa owo ho no se da bi mo ba beto se ye dualization akakumasi roader ekum pempempempem nada kwa ya wo minim se wo ka ni bia na onipa bi ewo kwan ne so da. I had a friend I was school no Anglican no a young guy bi nana me fini don mo bo nickname bia no Anglican na okofa boy simpa boy ya Rɔbbɛr ibi o kono no okowu onya accident okwan ne so no madam for pa no it is our kwan ne de akremi lives bebre and for the first time abaya adwe apart from kwan ye Ghana ni na o eno de menya sure say obi Ghana o ye DC kro betima be dispute e kwan ya nana akufo ado aban ye any attempt say ye be ye sa kwan no ni adualize ye be yi bia for baby e betimi aba ma obi aba somdia ma obi ahoto no you do 70%. Omo budget omo present they on Abuja or confirm you.
Governs.
Nice name. Obai ena senso boache se sadia. Samoba mo 3 years. I can say I can 4 days now buy 1 year.
Mom. Aka 3 years.
Aka 3 years now woko.
3 days.
Sa expressway now also woko ye no kra no. Mo man panyini. O se ye de 3 years in the be tio. At that time no na comprehensive analysis bi anko ho kra o. Ye what time a mode year evaluation ni ade to the bit kwetimi this 6 months asana kwan na ye the master te entie ne sika na ye adako first ni ma aka na wo senka mo ye de wie no momfa nkoye opportunity cost na nka nipa ho nto se de mo wie we na we ni beda we nso beda ho misrel na nada kwa me ru asenso bo chika se ya wo bo musu
ya sampa o
debi me busa wo ye host wo bo musu na yeah, MPP for a strong one near Santa Mai. And no, a quiet papa beer was Santa May. Yes, come on, see, almost 8 years, almost 8 years. May I dare him, Prempe, almost quiet room, Kumasia, men cause Santa May. Omobi, and he was even Nanyani Ferry, or Busa, yeah, a strong good, yeah, man, come and say, almost strong good, what a jump go. Set to say, yeah, almost how we was 5 no. Almost so good. Almost so good. 18 cities ni na ye Botarians. Omo ni na so NDC for. Onko yo set say dey ya.
Wa shante region dey NDC no mba mo ye bibi o na.
Pa cho hwan ewen.
Mo ta hono dey kwan ye mo.
Me person ya omo hu se. Omo ni ye so good ni kasa. Omo put respect on our name because oba is strong holder. You could see our footprint here. What you say? Ye so good okay. And they were asking or say runway. Lightning and nana yempe me pacho kasa me na me wa hawo nana brembe na me wa hawo na me wa me sel me wa aze me fa me so o se runway nana moya no nana da kwa tie me ha tie me ndisi ne kasa na wutie no
me tie
o se runway na no mo ba ne nye airport na mu kura ye si awie
airport
lightning na Kumasi airport
omo ende na ho dada na omo
Kumasi airport be na ho dada
se no de tete me pacho tio me pacho tete abrofo na sha se eye Kumasi airport ana mama eso bae no osase ye bi eno no mo twam no mo koto yenti obia okay yenti obia sa yenti obia whatever sa nyum bi no
de bia me employ say
me person
we mo nka no kre e ba fa obuku bra
musuma ye bo muso
oh me say de bi sa de mo nya ka ye pese mo be wi ye no ma mo bia se se de o pese mo wi ofa nko ne mo no wi o mo ye de bi ma mo ye hu se mo no mo pese mo ba mo be kuta mo nkrata ebe chese ye ni edi ntro na mo na ekudi ntro no ma ja mo di ntro enka se o ma be ye bi ni ade phase 1 no mo ye no no aka kire wo no say lightning any runway no woni percentage kura na ye of the whole airport and another kwa eti ya mo ntwa airport na si wo ye ya da roma ye ne songo de nima de efe ne ya mo oti ase ye ne mo ti asante mamu a wo busa say school say na si na bosom twe school na si wo na nye na si baso otu osrebo ohini mu a ye man school ko hwe ne fe
dwabe
ko hwe wo enti minim de ya o mo pe edi na mo ma ya obusa ye central market na how many wako edu say pacho edu say
meet you
edu say kachire edu say omo baby omo nkofo ni ko wi ye no bo ase wo January no mko tutu gu o masum si e ba omo nko ho no mko wu busa omo se ho na be revive ye busa omo mami ye ya abanya ya mamo kupanyimfo bebre adwuma ye drip ye ne ye de bremo ye MC kasa MC na wo se me busa no ye no ma ye kofa bae no bebre
na no buy can say drip machines.
Thank you enti the audacity o nana prempe menye sa wo yo hini o ohini na ya o kasa man kabi ada na wo yam sa oh nana prempe o ma men kasa
na oba ne fire wana
nana ma men kasa bi
ma eti kaka
mu twanto dodo mu twanto tu ma nana da kwa eya ye MPP for se pese Ghana for ni hu se wo mu na de to me ne ma ye na o maji ye de o mase but we mo mu nyuma na kasa de o mo beko ena eya o mo ka asem bi ti na mabo opposition no na kwa musa o ehe fa na ofiri o ma papa we
opposition
ni opposition no mo firi ye mfa opposition ehunu NDC ni MPP ni o efiri se bia ye mu ma betene ye na ne yete woni efiri o ena tu se na kwa mesra mo ye wura ye nuano ma mo ye host fo no eya mo nka no krem MDC fo ni twantwa mo nka ma mansante ade Kumasi na NDC fo ma ya sante no na de ye nya hwe wo Kumasi ana me pese bi busa na kwa aya mu na mu mmoa de bia me ka mu mmoa mu twantro too much e de no mo ba ye o ma be ye e de pa o de Kumasi ama me 1 year de na NDC fo ba ma be ye Asante region de no ma ya ma ye o ma si school bi o ma ye kwan bi me busa o ka bi sira me de no ma be ye
je o de asem ba o
oh de me busa o question me ne natia
ma se de se me head en win ti na wo de hwe mani ye
o sa o na mama nsan na wo nya hu hwe
na de na me nkoka se
o enti wo read me so ma ye dai
se Kumasi de na ne dia e da hada dansa na mo ba
enti o ma so se na dia na ye ba amanyefo wo se be siesie na da kwa wontimi nka bi mo ye dede wo ya sum no me se oboba ma ye dai
mo me nyina ma ya de sa na me meka
ya absa de no munja asante man host na mo host program mo ka o mi na NDC fo no mo twantro no munja
ka me se me hu se o ma ye bibi
e tu hu ya man ka se mo mi anu mi na de no aba ye ne so ngodi ni ye ne so ngodi ya mana ye fa ya akono ana na pembe o se he mo hwa de o se na pembe mo party ni mu no 1 2 de obi te bono omo NDC ni otis
ba ma te se so mo ba be ye se so ko from market mo ye bibi e na so ma yi some so ma ye ho de na mo ye no o ma sha ni header
na kwa unim kropo market no o se MPP for ye kan wasem da ba cho unim kropo se unim kropo George St George so ba cho market on se ye kan wasem da 2025 enkura fairly say mo ba be kan se ma che mo se ye na as o mo se ya nkyere nkura na de MC medini wo ya papa me DMC wo ya papa na o ma wo ya ku for the time na nya de o munya ne de ma wo eni adan na obi nya grade 8 obi nya 20
o mo se mo twin free eyi West Africa no ho na mo be ye mo question de ma mo nkwala na ne mo de je mo
na kwa
se sana na o kana mboa
nya
me na me kan
na ko ti me nyo no NDC fo we o nana o kasa na me